We'll guide you through how to make a link for photos and videos. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Being able to go and share photos and videos with a link is really convenient. So we're going to guide you through how you can go about this. Make sure this full guide and don't go and skip anything. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part of this guide. And you can do this for free or so as well. So to get started, go and open up a web browser. I tend to use Chrome. You could use Edge or another browser, it doesn't matter. We are going to be using a Google service for this. So you can come to google.com, come to the top right and press sign into your Google account if you have one. Otherwise press sign in and there's a create button on that page. Then you can press Google Apps in the top right of Google and you want to find the option for Drive. Yours will be slightly different because it's one of my favorites. Now what you can do is press new in the top left and you want to press new folder, name this what you want. Then what you can do is go and press create. Then you'll be brought to it, double click on it, press new in the top left, and you want to press file upload. Now you can go and select them, hold down control and start selecting the ones you want to do this with, or click, hold and drag. Press open and they're now uploading. You can see the progress in the bottom right. When it comes to sharing it, press on the folder name, hover over share and press share. Then where it says general access, you can change it from restricted to anyone with the link. Press copy link and give that to people, or you could add people at the top and keep it restricted.